Hello, hello, hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you guys my setup. I just said I can't really do the plan with these, and I've decided that for this channel, I'm going to plan though. I'm going to plan and create these different setups and get-ups and whatnot, and hopes, this is my way of sharing. And if there's always if there's any questions or anything, please don't hesitate to comment, like, and subscribe. So if you're interested to see how I've boxified my everyday planner, and this is one of my books, for one book. All right, here we are. That is the Happy Planner. You guys may have seen this. I don't know if I do a lot of videos, and I don't know. I don't think I put this up, but at one point this planner, this baby here with her pretty pink and gold earrings, her expanded disc, she was once my social media planner. Well, since then, I've created this one. Her twin. Well, one's a little bigger than the other, but that's okay. That's okay. More love for her to go around. Okay, so I love this cover. Yellow is I love yellow. I love all these colors here. So, if it's light, bright colors or pastels or just deep colors of flowers, I love it. All right, so you guys, if you've seen any of my videos, you've probably seen all of that. But here are my dividers here and they're from Shelby Lee Co. And because my planner is set up, not the traditional Happy Planner style, even though I have Happy Planner inserts, and so I needed to get some nice dividers. Now, I have a laminator, and I have okay, alrighty, the scrapbook paper, yeah, to do this, but it's no way I could have put these colors together and all of this. This is a bookmark that goes with it. So anyway, I'm not gonna just bore you with the whole. I got some note paper up front and some other little notes and stuff, and this was a pocket that came with it, and I just kind of stuck it right there. Anyway, these are my monthlies, guys. So I put all my months in the front, and this is July. What I'm going to be doing with, normally only thing going here anyway is appointments. And normally they're doctor's appointments. So, I don't have anything yet this month. But, the month is young. It's only the 2nd. So, but anyway, I did my little decorating. What I'm going to use this for is that I got an almanac. And I want to do it like a planter. I want to do like a little small garden in a planter. I have a big yard. I don't want to do the gardening like getting down on the ground and I can't, really, but not just that. A big garden, you have snakes and lizards and frogs. I figured something like in a flower pot, might not be so bad. So I'm thinking of doing that. So, but anyway, I recorded some of the good planting times. So it's going to be corn, cauliflower, and beans. Best day to do a haircut, if y'all want to encourage growth in your hair, be the 18th and 19th. It's the waxing of the moon. And also, well, they say pruning, of course. And the full moon is going to be on the 27th. Now, I'm not in the spooky ooky stuff or anything, but if you read the Bible, in the very beginning, God said to use the stars and the moons to find our way. So, and that's paraphrasing, okay? So anyway, I haven't filled this out yet. I may or may not. I don't. Oh, that's my bill sheet. I printed my bills over on here in a little chart that I use for my financials. I can't show that because the actual numbers. Not that it's a big deal. It's not going to take them away or add to them. But, now that I've changed my channel, I've also, invited people from my personal Facebook. So if, I don't, that's, you guys out there, you know, in cyberspace is one thing, but people that know me, yeah, it's a little different. So anyway, that's all. This is my monthlies, okay? So I got these in here, blah, 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 all the way to December. Here I have, it says ideas, because at first it was going to be social media calendar. Yeah, planner, but it's not anymore. So instead, it's my daily for my scripture writing, my mood. I haven't done it yet because it's the end of the day has not come. Usually I do that at night or when I'm winding down for the day. And my scriptures, and you've seen this before. I've used this before, see? Yeah. Memorial Day. Look, that's some of the older ones. Grateful for. Yeah. So, yeah. Let me see. Yeah, that was a couple of ones I had. Yeah, see. So I've used these before for that. And this is from the Daydreamer, the Happy Planner, the Daydreamer. The first one, y'all, well, I mean, by now you should know all these. But the monthly one, the first one was the Trendsetter. So now we get back to the weeks. The weeks is Glam Girl. And I got her little tie right there. So I've kind of done, there on one of the Facebook groups I'm in, there's a red, white, and blue challenge. So this is my red, white, and blue answer to that challenge. Normally, my task, chores, whatever, on this side of my page, normally it is, well, it won't be in here. Normally it would be color coded. And by that, home, now home would be blue, you know, the writing would be blue. Office and the title would be green. Errands is purple. Communications is red. And I just added YouTube and sweeps and sweepstaking. Not just sweeps the floor. That's no fun. But sweeps and YouTube are my two hobbies that I'm really beginning to enjoy a lot. So, and I kind of want to combine them together. This channel, I want, you know, who knows? Who knows? So anyway, but this is my red, white, and blue challenge. My spread for the week. I always highlight the dates. Normally I'll put Monday, Tuesday. Well, I can pretty much see them up top. I usually stamped. I was stamping them in, but I know. I kind of know, and it's right here. So, and this is how it looks without my finagling on it, without my foxification. It looks like this. Okay. Now, next tab is where my projects will go. And I want to kind of get a sheet for like a mind map. You know, where, I wish I had an example of one where I would put in a circle house. And I would continue to grow, you know, the limbs from that map. You know, from the house, what some of the things I want to do. So I just put these back there. I do have a couple of projects in mind. One of them is the garden, so I put that in. And these are just notes. It's just notes. But I wanted you to see the dividers, the rest of the dividers. And again, that's Shelby Lee. And these are the papers I'm using to print over already. And I do that in Excel. Whatever I can get to Excel. I use Microsoft stuff. So, and here, this is what I missed. I don't know if I made I didn't make a big deal about it, but this is my name. It's Vanessa. But my new channel name, as soon as YouTube lets me out, I mean, as soon as my 90 days is up, because I just changed it once before, this will be Planning with Adeline. And Adeline is spelled ADHD, Align. Okay, so, well, that's what I wanted now. But, of course, it has to be Planning with ADHD. Because, guys, if this is not the textbook version, if I am not textbook version of ADHD, I didn't know what is. And I'm still discovering stuff. So, but anyway, just wanted to give you a quick look at what I've done this week. And you guys, be blessed, be a blessing. Bye.